I wanted to talk to you today about uninsured motorist coverage. It's one of the most important coverages you can have for yourself and your family. I had a client who got terribly injured and the other driver only had a $25,000 policy. If my client had purchased uninsured motorist coverage and had it just matched the amount of her liability coverage, she actually had $250,000 of liability insurance and $1 million umbrella on top of her liability coverage, which meant if she hit the other person and it was her fault, she was protected to $1,250,000. But she hadn't purchased her own uninsured motorist coverage, which would have provided that same amount, $1,250,000, to cover the expenses and the claims that she had against the other driver who only had $25,000 worth of insurance. Now, we can protect ourselves and our family if we just get this additional coverage, and it's not expensive. I know insurance, health insurance, and we all worry about what the expenses are, but this automobile insurance, as compared to health insurance and the other things, it's just about the most reasonable, low-cost coverage we can have in the most likely catastrophic event our family members are going to be involved in, which is an automobile or motorcycle accident. So do yourself a favor, make sure that your insurance policy is protecting your family by providing uninsured motorist coverage. My client was hurt, her daughter was hurt, and they had over $2 million in value in the claim that they had, with ongoing future medical expenses and past medical expenses, lost wages, and other things, and they only had $25,000 from the other driver. It really makes a difference. So call your insurance agent, make sure that you have that coverage, and don't hesitate to get an umbrella policy that'll cover your house, your cars, your motorcycle, your boat, what happens around the house with the kids. It's important, and it's important for the safety of your family. Thank you.